In this video, we'll walk through an example of how a sales development representative can automate their follow-up workflow using the Cequence AI Gateway. After meeting with prospects and presenting the Stratiform platform, the SDR needs to send clear, relevant follow-up emails that reflect each conversation, and the Cequence AI Gateway will help us automate that process. Our Google Drive contains two assets for this workflow: the Stratiform sales presentation used during introductory conversations, and the prospect sheet which lists each contact, the topics discussed during the call, and any follow-up notes. With these sources ready, we can now ask the system to generate personalized follow-up emails for every prospect. The system reviews the sheet, interprets the conversation notes, and uses the Stratiform deck for consistent messaging. A personalized email draft is generated for each prospect, which the SDR can review, approve, and send via Gmail. Once sent, the system automatically updates the email sent date column in the Google Sheet, ensuring accurate and easy tracking. All of this happens inside a secure environment, with applications connected through the Cequence AI Gateway using OAuth authentication and appropriate guardrails. The Cequence AI Gateway securely enables drafting, personalization, sending, and record keeping across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Sheets, turning prospect details into clear, consistent follow-ups with far less manual effort.